Now, photography doesn't have to be expensive, and today I wanted to give you kind of my little tip where I like to buy equipment at a very cheap price. Now, keep in mind, this is not like not premium equipment. It's actually from a Chinese website, which I'm not getting sponsored, by the way. They don't know I'm doing this, but you can go on there and you can actually find a lot of things that you would buy an American website, but much, much cheaper. Now, the website's name is AliExpress. The downside to using this website is that it is in China, and if you're used to getting things on Amazon for like 3 days or something, you're probably gonna wait at least a month from AliExpress. Now, I live in South Korea, which is right next to China, and even then it takes me like 3 weeks, because China's a pretty big place. But the thing is, you can find a lot of things really, really, really cheap, and you can buy a lot of knockoff versions of like their more expensive products on AliExpress. Like I like using Amazon, but Amazon is kind of pricey. I'm not gonna lie. Some of these things are kind of pricey. No reason for them to be pricey. And I just finished buying the other week a bunch of lens caps. Like they're like 20 bucks on Amazon, but I found them for like 70 and 80 cents on AliExpress. Because they're manufactured over there. I also bought my lens, the lens attachments I use for my phone. I bought them there probably like $3 or something like that, where otherwise it would have cost at least 15 or 20 on the American websites. So yeah, this is just a quick tip. If you've never heard of this website, check it out. Like I said, not sponsored. I'm not getting any kickbacks, no affiliates, anything like that. Just check it out, and you'd be surprised the kind of cheap stuff you can find on there. So yeah, that's just a little tip. If you're willing to wait a month, yeah, I'll see you around.